traders, welcome to another video from RLTR Group. And so today we are going to be talking about how the market is going to be expiring tomorrow. That would be the 18th of February 2021. We're going to talk about some critical levels that you need to keep in mind before you make a trade tomorrow. Also, we're going to talk about the profits that we have made for the day, 30K, and also a very big important pattern that is showing up over here and what we can do about it. So without further ado, let me just go ahead and take this video forward. And firstly, I would want to thank you guys for being patient. There was no video on Monday and Tuesday because I was out and we were upgrading our servers. And secondly, if you want to make similar profits like how we are making and join the live trading community, please visit www.rltrgroup.com and join us to live trade tomorrow. Or you can then go ahead and join the free Telegram link where you can look at the wonderful performance that we have made so far and make a decision for yourself. So we are not going to tell you to buy anything, but it should be your decision. And before we get there to another point, I want to go ahead and tell you a very critical thing for tomorrow, and that is this. This is the head and these are the shoulders. So keeping this in mind, what do you think? Where would Bank Nifty go tomorrow? All right. So it is forming a range and it has been doing this for a very, very long time. But the most critical level for us tomorrow would be this one, guys, 36,761. If Bank Nifty is going to move from here, it can take a quick support at 36,628. If that is not sustained, we are going to come here very soon. Okay, a little bit up on the upside, that would be 36,300 is where we are going to test. If things go haywire, we can still go ahead and test the bottom. Now, this is an indication for a downside market, and that's from here till here if this particular zone has been broken. But what about the upside? The upside is that there are similar ranges over here right at the bottom, on the top as well. So there is a high over here. 37,000 is going to be very well defended. So if the price is moving tomorrow above 37,060, I will try to buy for a small level here that is on the top for 37,300. So this is a very important thing that I want to tell you that you need to keep in mind for the levels tomorrow. So the levels over here are going to be very easy. They're going to be volatile and you would need somebody to guide you. And if you're looking for that individual and you're looking to make such profits like this, let's go ahead and try to join RLTR Group and see if we can make a bit more on this straight away. So without further ado, let me also tell you how these profits were made today. Today, while we were trading, Bank Nifty played everything over here at a point and which was trying to go ahead and give us a bit idea about what is happening. So early in the morning, Bank Nifty broke our trend line right at the bottom. And, I drew it right from here. So this trend line was actually broken over here at the bottom. And I was thinking that Bank Nifty would actually test the levels that I've given you for the expiry today. But what happened? It bounced from the previous low. Now, if we were egoistic for that nature, and there were 105 people on the live trading portal, and things do go wrong, and it hit our stop loss right straight over here. So we bought it at somewhere around 297. We booked it at 213. But then what happened? Then the magic happened, because I knew that if Bank Nifty would take out the trend line which is coming from the top, that is going to make some noise and we are going to take much benefit of that particular front straight away. And yes, that happened. So when this trend line broke, we made our profits right here and we exited the day. Now, this usually never happens when you exit the day. And, people were, even I was anticipating an up move, but you know what? I just didn't care. We just exited. 105 people were in profit today because of our analysis, and we've been growing pretty fast, guys. So it's up to you to decide whether will you miss the bus or be a part of it. I'll leave the decision straight away to you. But from here, it made a double top, it fell down, and now it's consolidating and showing us a pattern for tomorrow. So this is my analysis, and these are the levels. I will be mainly concentrating on CE side for a while. After it breaks 37,000, or else I'm all the way down to see puts for tomorrow. So if you need such analysis on a live trade, do join us on a live trading forum. If you want to access the free Telegram group, there is a link in the description below. We'll see you there. Thank you so much for your time today. I hope you have a wonderful day with your loved ones. Jai Hind. We'll see you tomorrow with another fascinating video. Thank you so much for your time and take care. Bye-bye.